Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Pennask Summit is a notable mountain pass located along the Okanagan Connector, also known as Highway 97C, in British Columbia. Situated at an elevation of approximately 1,728 meters, 5,669 feet, it stands as the second highest highway pass in the province, following Kootenay Pass. This summit marks the highest point on the Okanagan Connector, which stretches between the cities of Merritt and Peachland. The highway traverses the forested uplands of the Thompson Plateau, offering travelers scenic views of the surrounding landscape. The Okanagan Connector, or Coquihalla Connector, serves as a vital east-west route, linking the lower mainland to the Okanagan Valley south of Kelowna. This highway facilitates efficient transportation and commerce between these regions. Travelers should be aware that weather conditions at Pennask Summit can change rapidly, especially during the winter months. Snowfall, fog, and reduced visibility are common, making it essential for drivers to exercise caution and ensure their vehicles are equipped for winter driving. In summary, Pennask Summit is a significant feature along the Okanagan Connector, offering both a crucial transportation link and picturesque vistas. Whether you're a local commuter or a visitor exploring British Columbia, understanding the characteristics of this summit can enhance your travel experience.
Thanks for watching!